Hi, this is the uppercase letter L. The letter L makes the O sound, like in the word lion.
Put the apple with the letter L on the tree.
Ooh.
Good job! Put the ice cream with the letter F on the cone. Good thinking! Give the ball with the letter L to the seal.
Ooh.
Good work! Give the rat the cheese with the letter U. Great! Give the letter L to Olo.
Ooh. 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 Ooh.
Awesome! You gave the letter L to Olo. Give the letter R to Olo.
Brr. 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 Brr.
Awesome! You gave the letter R to Olo. Trace the uppercase letter L. Great! You traced the letter L.
This is the letter L, and this is the lowercase l. L makes the O sound, like in the word lion. The letter L.
Help the bee with the letter L. Fly to the hive.
Ooh.
Great job! Give the rat the cheese with the letter F. Awesome! Put the ball with the letter L with the bat.
Ooh.
Cool beans! Give the ram the hay with the letter R.
Brr.
Keep it up! Drag the letter L to the rabbit.
Ooh.
Woohoo!
Ooh.
Woohoo!
Ooh.
Woohoo!
Ooh.
Woohoo! Good work! You dragged the letter L to the rabbit. Drag the letter U to the rabbit. Woohoo! 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 Good work! You dragged the letter U to the rabbit. Trace the lowercase letter L. Great! You traced the letter L.